whom we love, former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, ladies and gentlemen, the sitting Member of Parliament. Please put your hands together for Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat. And for all the international delegates, people who don't know, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the very popular young politician from India. He was the former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is known for tourism, beautiful Uttarakhand. Please put your hands together and clap for Mr. Tirath Singh Rawat. Tirath Singh Rawat has the record of longest flag march to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The record for organizing the longest flag march to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was set by Tirath Singh Rawat of Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Ladies and gentlemen, he is a former CM, Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. Started his flag march on the 13th of August 2022. From Tapovan, Rishikesh, and covered a distance of 270 kilometers. Completed it by 1 p.m. on the 15th of August 2022 at Badrinath Dham, ladies and gentlemen, to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Many congratulations.